Hello you guys, it is day 4. It is officially day 4, thank God. Day 4 on the chemical peel, and as you guys can see, I am peeling like a banana. I am peeling like a cracked onion. I am peeling right here. Finally, I'm peeling all over here. Everything is just peeling how it's supposed to be peeling. Now, it was worse, like I showed y'all in the other video, but I'm gonna show y'all a couple of pictures right here of last night. This was last night, how bad it was after I put that last layer on. But as you can see, it's just tightening up. Like, it's just tightening up. It's going ahead and cracking. Like, now I think I'm about done with leaving it on my face. I am so ready to wash my face. It's been 3 business days, y'all, and I have not washed my face at all. I can just feel the dirt there. Like, I can feel it there. The only reason why I woke up so early and just wanted to go ahead and take this off is because my eyes were very irritated just a minute ago. It was burning really bad, so I had to wash my eye out a little bit. So I figured, hey, why don't I go ahead and, wash the peel off, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how long I'm supposed to keep it on, but I think it's ready. So, you guys, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, it is officially time to go ahead and wash it off. Remember, you're supposed to be using the Cerave Foaming Facial Cleanser. It's very gentle and light on the skin. All it's gonna do is just completely remove all the dirt and the actual peel from your face, the oil that you had on there. Okay, so we're gonna start off with that, and then I'm gonna express to you guys what you're supposed to do next after that. While you're washing your face for the first time after the 3 days, you want to be very gentle with the skin. Do not peel the skin. Do not try to yank the peeling skin off. Just let it come off naturally. Okay, you guys? So I officially washed my face. As you can see, some of the skin came up even more. Some of it kind of peeled off with the washing. I don't know if you guys could see, but when I was doing it, I kind of didn't really exfoliate. Uh-oh, you're not supposed to peel, but that was really about to come off. Y'all, I had to get it off. I was just splashing the water on my face, trying to let it clean itself naturally, try not to exfoliate it. But my face is burning really bad right now. Really bad. It feels like I've been sunburned to hell. Like, my face is burning so bad, I can't even describe it right now. That's all I know. It's burning like right in this area. Right in this area too. My nose. It's just burning. Hope the burning goes away, but if it doesn't, I don't know what to tell y'all. The next thing that you're supposed to do is apply the healing ointment immediately after you're done peeling. You guys, it is burning really bad. But I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the next step. I completely dropped my face. Now I'm gonna be applying my petroleum jelly, my Vaseline. It is burning so bad. That is a cold rag that I'm applying to my face. Okay guys, this is the last day of me having to be extra careful with it, and that was the first time I'm washing it off. This is day 4. Now all you're gonna have to do every night is wash your face with the CeraVe cleanser, just like how I did just now, and you're gonna have to apply your healing protectant, either your Aquaphor or your petroleum jelly, your Vaseline. Either one, you can do either one. Apply one of these to the whole face, the neck, whatever area you did. And if I'm not mistaken, you're supposed to use your sunscreen as well. I don't know if you're supposed to put it on immediately after, I don't know, but I'm gonna ask somebody, should I do it immediately after, like put it on at the same time, or wait? I don't know, I'm about to ask. But other than that, you guys pretty much have the whole routine down. You're gonna do this for the next week, and then you're not gonna be able to use your soap that's in a jar until like a week from now. You're not gonna be able to use that, or the facial moisturizer until like a week later when you start using the soap. So your daily routine for every night is gonna be the CeraVe cleanser, to be very gentle, pat the face, do not scrub it, do not peel your skin, let it come off naturally, you guys. And also put on your healing ointment after you're done washing your face, and use this if you go out in the sun, or just put it on after. I'm not sure, I still have to ask somebody. But other than that, yep, that's it for today. So hope you guys enjoyed my 4-day journey. I'm going to be posting more updates on my face, mostly probably by the end of this week, to show you guys what's happening and how is it going. But other than that, I just got you through the process of applying the chemical peel. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you later.